So the time has come to change the battery in the key fob on my 2019 Fabia Estate SE model. This is a remote for it. On the opposite side of the battery of the buttons, there's a little plastic lid which lifts off. And to get that off, just open up the key itself. And you can either put your thumbs in there and lift it up, or if that's a little bit tight for that, you can just put a wide headed screwdriver just in each end there, just give it a little twist, and the lid will hinge forward and lift out like so. The battery, which is a 2025 CR2025, and I've got one here ready, which I bought, 2025. And to get the battery out, there's a very, very small slot there, and I've just got a very, very thin, it's actually a cake probe, I think you'll find, but this is just something. So I'm just going to put my thumb over the battery because I don't want it to go flying. I'm going to pop that in underneath it and just lift it up like that and take it out. That's the old one. Now the new battery, I really like to give it a little bit of a wipe with a bit of a tissue, just so as I don't leave any grease on the battery itself. So I just pick it up like so in there, and you can see where it goes. The bottom end goes in towards this little spring clip first. Okay, and then I'm just going to do it without the tissue on it, but I'm going to give it a wipe afterwards. You just push it down and it locks into there like that. Just going to wipe the grease of my fingers off. Okay, and then the cover, again, there's a little edge there which slots underneath the front, and it just hinges down and clips like so. The secret now is whether it works or not. So the next stage is just to go and give it a try. In the moment of truth. Yeah, there we are. There it is, all working. There we are. And that's just a very, very quick job to show you how to change your key or your battery and your key fob. Thanks for watching. Bye.